Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Good morning. We respect the speaker, organizer, and conference participant. Introducing us, I am Zulhalim and my colleagues Anton, Z. Jennifer, and Saprudin from STIA and STIMI Jakarta, presenting the result of our research entitled Online Learning Application Design Using Predict, Observe, Explain EOA Model for Computer Practicum in the COVID-19 pandemic period in higher education. Abstract, the COVID-19 pandemic forced the STI and STIMI Jakarta to use a distance learning process for the student. The campus policy to use the Google Workspace for education application as LMS is felt to be appropriate, but it still has difficulties in running computer practicum. The use of Google Form feature as the means of computer practicum paperwork is felt to be less effective in increasing student independence in completing their practicum assignment. In this study, we use a POA model which has advantages such as being used to reveal student initial ideas, generate discussion, provide information to lecturers about student thought, and motivate students to want to explore concept and generate a desire to investigate. The application development method in the study uses extreme programming as an agile approach model for responsive application programming, which user needs that rapidly changing and always changing. The result of this result is design of a web-based application prototype that can replace the role of Google Form as a computer practicum paper using the POA model. Harus student curiosity and increase student independence in completing computer practicum assignment. Introduction, as we know, COVID-19 pandemic and learning process, we propose a change of learning model for computer practicum course so that are in common quality of learning for lecturers and students. The project-based learning model in practicum course is replaced by POA learning model. The POA model is effective for improving student critical thinking skills while still using the Google Classroom and Google Meet LMS added by filling out the practicum activity form using the POA card. Method, the POA model has three steps: prediction, observation, and explanation. And this research uses a system development method which is the programming, which consists of 5 steps. They are planning, design, coding, testing, and software increment. Result in discussion, STI Jakarta is a university in Central Jakarta, Indonesia, which established in 1993. STI Jakarta has 3 programs with a total number of more than 800 students and has 3 computer practicum. And meanwhile, STI Jakarta has 3 programs, a total number for more than 600 students and has a 10 computer practicum course. Result and discussion, system development and planning, instead of collecting data from the current system using the observation and interview method to the academic staff, lecturer, student, and student. The design stage process functional and non-functional requirement. User activities into CRC card. CRC card like this. User course task and test access, and we deploy. We use a case and class diagram like this. Then we develop a design interface and output like this. Result and discussion. After the design stage is continue with coding, and then we testing stage is called release 1. After release 1, use a continuous improvement. Yeah. Conclusion. They also design a web-based application prototype can be replaced Google Form practicum paper using the POA model. Our student curiosity increase student independence. Further research are expected to produce an application that ready to use and has been well tested. The application of POA model has also theoretical course that can increase student learning during COVID-19 pandemic. The result assume the POA card is expected to be integrated the learning process system. On knowledge, reference. Thank you. May Allah give health and success to all of us.